Welcome back, everybody. It's Monty, it's Shado Park, it's geometry, and here we are coming back from the holiday break. So we're looking at January 4th to the 7th. Did you have a great break? Our first day back, we've got to share out with all the people around us. What did we do? Did we enjoy all this cold weather? Did we enjoy Christmas? How about New Year's and the celebration? Did you celebrate? New Year's resolutions. Did you make a resolution? Have you made a plan for the month of January? Month of January, we've got a holiday, Martin Luther King Day. We've got groovy shoes coming up, right? Oh, right? We're gonna fight for the shoe, right? Yeah? All right. Got a basketball game. We've got to decorate the hall outside our classroom. We've got to celebrate. We've got to shout out. We have to be happy during this miserable, cold January. So, as we get back into the swing of things, let's share out what we did. Let's share out the good things and the bad things. Let's celebrate the incoming new year, 2022. And mathematics-wise, let's wrap up on that Skill Builder week. Okay? So, let's get started. Skill Builder week. The week before the holiday break, we did one-step equations, two-step equations, fractions and proportions. We use those in our regular daily lives. The distributive property. What does it mean to add multiple times? Well, there's these things called the parentheses, and we distribute. Okay? It's a multiplication. This week, we want to make sure that we remember graphing. Graphing is all important because if you remember, the slope of the line determined if it was a square, if it was a triangle, and we have to remember how to do that. And then the real world problems, which were like Northwest Boulevard, Maple, and Ash. What happens when we know a specific spot on a map and we want to know the equation of a line? And we had to memorize that equation. All right? So let's just do this one real quick. Y equals mx plus b. M was the slope, okay, the rate of change, the rise over the run. The b, that's the most important number in math. The y-intercept, the start value. How much money are we starting with? How fast are we spending it? How much money do we need? And how fast do we earn it? Okay, so in this case, the y-intercept was 4. The slope of the line, the rise, down 4 over 10. Once we know those two, we can write it. So, y equals negative 4 over 10 x plus the start value. Where are we starting? 4. Okay, then we come over to this example and we want to know a point on the line. We can either pick point A or point B. Either one. I like positive numbers, so I'm going to use this one. 5, 2 over 5 up 2. Well, if we use that point on the line, we already know the slope of the line. Okay, the slope was the down 4 over 10. And the point on the line is just going to be x, comma, y. So let's just write it. Y minus the y value equals the slope of the line, down 4 over 10, x minus the x value that we know. Okay? So let's remember what we know, think about it, and then ask questions. That's the beauty of math. And in the month of January, we're going to bring it all together and wrap up two-dimensional thinking. Because when we get to semester 2, we go to three-dimensional thinking, which is the volume, right? Okay? We add another axis, the x-axis, the y-axis, and then the third dimension, volume, which is the z-axis. All right? Welcome back. Hope you're refreshed. Hope you're ready. See you in the classroom Monday morning. Bye-bye, everybody. See you soon.